Visit us at Eduvo. Thank you for calling Eduvo.
Welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, we are going to be learning about how to change title bar icon in Java. The set icon name method of frame class is used to change the icon of the frame or a window. It changes the icon which is displayed at the left side of a frame or a window. The toolkit class is used to get the instance of the image class in AWT and Spring. Toolkit class is the abstract superclass of every implementations in the abstract window toolkit, which is AWT. The subclasses of the toolkits are used to behind the various component and it's inherit the object class. Now we see the example of title bar icon, and it's import java.awt and import javax.swing. I was previously talking about the toolkit. So the toolkit where we use in this code to get the image icon. Okay, so here I just create, first of all I just create a frame which is object of frame and which is equal to new jframe. Now here I just write image icon, image which is icon which is equal to new, and not new, here I just write toolkit dot get default toolkit dot get image, and here I just write the source of the image which is this one, properties, and write this source here and close this code. Now f.set layout, and the layout here is null. Okay, now f.set, and set is the size here, and the size here is 200 and 200. Now I just add the icon here. So f.set, and set is icon, and icon which is image, and here I just pass this icon name. Okay, now I just create the method here, so copy and then the method and then close this method here. Okay, f.set visible, and the visible here is true. And now we go to the main method. So public static void main and string arguments, new which is the class name, and then close this code here. Okay, now check the output and run this code. So here you can see we have the logo of spread text with our this frame, you can see here, and this is our size of the frame, and this is a logo here, you can see. Thanks for watching this lecture. See you in next lecture.
If you are looking for teaching stuff, education stuff, programming series, application, and Android development, coding skills, marketing skills, presentation skill, paid courses for free are available. Thank you for calling Eduvo.